Plant fibers. Cotton plant is grown in fields as an annual shrub. It grows best in the warm weather. It requires temperature ranging from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall between 50 centimeters to 80 centimeters is required for its adequate growth. Black soil has the ability to retain moisture and is best suited for the cultivation of cotton plant. Cotton is grown in abundance in China, parts of USA, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico, Sudan, Turkey, and India. In India, it is grown in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana, Gujarat, and Punjab. Every year during spring, new cotton seeds are planted. The fruits of the cotton plant, cotton balls, are about the size of a lemon. Combing and ginning. When the crop grows to maturity, the cotton balls burst open and seeds with their fibers are harvested. Cotton is usually hand-picked from cotton balls. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Ginning of cotton can be done manually or by machines. Spinning. The cotton fibers, thus now obtained, are twisted to form the yarn. This process is called spinning. During spinning, fibers from a mass of cotton balls are taken and then twisted. It is done with a simple hand-operated device called tuckli. Another hand-operated device for spinning is called charkha. Activity to show spinning of cotton yarn. Take some cotton wool in one hand. Pinch a little cotton with the other hand and pull it, continuously twisting the fibers as you draw. See how long a yarn you can make in this way without breaking it. On a large scale, spinning of yarn is done with the help of spinning machines. Then they are pressed tightly and tied up into bales. Weaving. A fabric is generally made of two sets of yarns arranged together. The process is known as weaving. Weaving of fabrics is same as weaving two sets of strips of paper. In weaving, two sets of yarns are arranged together in different ways to get different patterns. This is done on looms. Looms are either hand-operated or power-operated. The hand-operated looms are called hand looms, and power-operated looms are known as power looms. Cotton cloth is soft in nature, and it lets the air to pass inside. It also absorbs sweat. A cloth that lets air in, we call it to breathe. Its main advantage is that the sweat it absorbs gets evaporated because of the air it breathes, which results in the cooling down of the body. Therefore, cotton clothes are comfortable to wear, especially in hot, humid weather. Activity to show how weaving is done in looms. Take chart paper of 2 different colors, say green and red. Cut each into 20 strips of about 20 centimeters length and 1 centimeter width. Arrange the green strips parallel and close to each other. Take a red strip. Hold it perpendicular to the green strips. Pass it above one green strip, then below the next green strip, then above the next, and so on. Take another red strip and do the same but in the reverse order. Compare the pattern you get with the pattern of a cotton cloth seen through a magnifying glass. Do they look similar? Knitting. Recall how your mother makes sweaters for you at home. The process of making a piece of fabric from a single yarn is called knitting. Knitting is done either by hand or by machines. Since knitting is done from a single yarn, if you pull a yarn from a sweater, the whole sweater gets unraveled. Socks, sweaters, and many other clothing items are made by knitting yarns. Uses of cotton. It is used to make a variety of clothing materials like cotton shirts, pants, saris, bags, bed sheets, curtains, etc. Cotton seeds are used to produce cotton. Seed oil, which is used for cooking like any other vegetable oil. Cotton seed material now left after extracting oil is used to feed livestock. Jute. Jute fiber is produced from the stem of the jute plants. It is one of the cheapest natural fibers. It is especially useful for making strong packing material because it is biodegradable, durable, and strong. Jute is cultivated in the rainy season. Seeds are sown in between February and May, depending on the species of seed. The crop gets ready for harvesting in 4 to 5 months. India is the largest producer of jute products in the world.
In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam.
When the harvesting process gets over, the stalks of the jute plant are tied into bundles and retted, soaked in water for near about 20 to 22 days. By this process, the tissues get softened and allow the fibers to be separated. After that, the fibers are stripped from the stalks in long strands and washed in clear running water. Then they are spread out in the sunlight to dry. After 3 to 4 days of drying, the fibers again are tied into bundles and sent to the mills for further processes. Uses of jute. After cotton, jute is the second most important fiber, which is mainly used to make cloth, for wrapping bales of raw cotton, to make sacks and coarse cloth. The fibers are also woven into curtains, chair coverings, carpets, etc.